1. Hamburger's origins. Hamburgers got their name from Hamburg, Germany, where a cut of beef called the Hamburg steak was a popular dish. 2. Oldest wine. The oldest known winery was discovered in Armenia, dating back to around 4100 BC. 3. The most consumed meat. Pork is the most widely consumed meat in the world, followed by poultry and beef. 4. The spice trade. The spice trade was so lucrative in ancient times that cinnamon was once more valuable than gold. 5. Egg myth busted. Despite common belief, brown eggs are not healthier than white eggs. The color of the eggshell depends on the breed of the chicken. 6. The heaviest watermelon. The world's heaviest watermelon weighed over 350 pounds, grown in Arkansas, USA, in 2005. 7. The origin of sushi. Sushi doesn't mean raw fish. It refers to the vinegared rice used in the dish. Sushi can contain cooked or raw ingredients. 8. Tomatoes were feared. In the 18th century, tomatoes were believed to be poisonous by many Europeans because they belonged to the nightshade family. 9. The most stolen food. In many countries, cheese is the most stolen food item in grocery stores, often due to its high value and easy concealment. 10. Ancient bread. The world's oldest evidence of bread making, dating back over 14,000 years, was found in Jordan.